What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniel Hale, and today I'm going to show you guys how you can increase your Instagram video views and how you guys can get more followers. Now, this method that we're going to talk about today works with videos, and it also works with pictures. And one thing I promise you, which I'm going to show you today, all the biggest influencer accounts are doing this. I made a video about this earlier, and what happened was Instagram took away the viewing on people's likes. So you're not able to see anymore how many likes each piece of content gets on people's pages. But that's okay. We have another method that we can use to show you guys, which is actually more powerful in my opinion, on how you guys can find viral content, share it on your page so that your page blows up. Alright, so let's dive right into this. The first thing I want to talk about is making sure that you find content within your niche. Alright, so my page, I do a lot of business stuff on my page. It's an entrepreneur page. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to go to somebody else's page that relates to mine, which is what you guys want to do for whatever topic that you're in, and then you're going to find that piece of content and share it. The key to that is you want people seeing that content that relate to your page, so the likelihood of them following you is way higher, or commenting or liking, which even is going to boost you so that other people in that field see it. Same thing when you guys are posting your hashtags for the content that we find. Try to use hashtags that are in your niche. Alright, so let's dive into my phone. I'm going to show you guys my Instagram and we're going to get started. Alright guys, so here we are. This is my Instagram account right here. And what we're going to do to get started, we're going to go to the search bar. And now in order for you guys to find topics in your niche, what you want to do is you want to go to search, and you're going to see right here we have top, we have accounts, we have tags, and we have places. So for me to find the top account in my niche, I want to put top. So if I type in, let's say, photography, and I go here, now what happens is all these accounts are the top accounts for that keyword photography. So right here I have a big account, 215,000 followers, and that's how I know this is a very popular account. Now what I was telling you guys is my account is business, so I'm gonna go and type in a business account, which I've already found one, Millionaire Mentor. He has 5.4 million followers on Instagram, and this is one of my favorite business accounts right here. So I'm gonna steal a piece of content from this that I know is gonna go viral that he has also used. So this method that I like to use is called views versus velocity. So what happens is if I click on one of these videos or pictures and I see right here, I start looking at the average amount of comments. So you see here he has 126 comments on this post. If I keep scrolling down, this one's a bit better. It has 239 comments on this post. And I keep going, you guys will see, here's another one. That's the one right there. You see, he has 1,725 comments on this post, which means the velocity on this and the views are way higher than the average on his page. So this is the piece of content right here that I'm gonna take and I'm gonna repost this on my page. So what we wanna do is we wanna go to the top right here, these three little dots, and we're gonna hit copy link. Okay, once the link is copied, you're gonna go to this right here. It's an app called Regrammar. So Regrammar is that R right there. I'm gonna click on it. It's gonna pull it up, and now you see it's already saved the link that I just copied for me. So when I hit preview, I'm gonna skip this ad, and there is our video. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to share, and here I'm gonna scroll down and I'm gonna hit save video. Alright, so now we have that video inside my photo album and it's ready to be posted on Instagram. Now you see how easy that method is. I want to go to the search bar, I want to go to top so that I'm in that section that Instagram knows only pull up the top pieces of content or accounts for my niche. Then I'm going to choose one of those pages, I'm going to scroll down, I'm going to use the views versus velocity method so I can see which one has the most views and velocity compared to the other posts. That's my piece of content. I save that, pull up Regrammar, save it into my phone. Now I'm ready to post this video. So what we're going to do now, we're going to post the video on my page, put some hashtags to it, put a little nice caption to it. It's going to make people laugh, and let's see how this video does. So now we're gonna post our video on our page and then go right here and we're gonna add this. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna choose a cover, which the cover when you guys choose, always try to make it like something that is gonna make people wanna click on it. So when it hits the explore page, it stands out. So you see right here, you can find something that's funny, scroll through like that. That's hilarious. I'd choose something like this. This right here, that's perfect. It's gonna make people laugh, make them wanna click it, so it increases the followers, okay? So now we're gonna hit next. And we're gonna type in our caption. So our caption, again, we can put our tag in there so that people click the tag. Something that's gonna make them want to see our page after they view the piece of content and they read the caption. So I'm about to go to Los Angeles, so my caption right here is gonna say me on my way to Los Angeles, because as you can see, this video is when you finally quit your job, so it's kind of perfect. People know I'm traveling right now. He's ripping off his clothes, throwing his stuff, and he's quitting his job. So that's me right now on my way to LA. So I'm gonna type in me on my way to Los Angeles. Now what I'm gonna do is put a laughing emoji and write live your own life. Then right here, once I have that, I'm gonna put my tag. I can put @_Daniel_Hale_, which is my Instagram. If you guys want to go check that out, follow me, and you guys can see how this post is gonna do, which I will create another video and show you guys how it did. And now I'm ready to post this video. But also, real quick, I'm gonna show you guys, you wanna choose hashtags that are in your niche. I'm not gonna get too specific on that today. I'll just show you a really quick method that you can use to choose them. So what I'll do is, I'll go to Google, pull up Google, and I will write entrepreneur hashtags. Then what happens is when that comes up, you're gonna see right here it says best-hashtags.com. I'm gonna click on that and it pulls up for me a simple copy and paste, which I'm gonna use. We're gonna copy this. And now, just so the post looks cleaner, I have that copied. I'm gonna post this, and then I'm gonna put the hashtags in the comment section so people can't see it and it gets mixed in with all of the comments, and it makes my page look a lot cleaner because the focus is, I want them to focus on this tag. And bang. All right, and the video is posted, so let's see how it does, guys. Go follow me on Instagram. That's @_Daniel_Hale_. I'll put it right here. Okay, and I'll also put the link down below in the description so you guys can see how well this video does. I promise you, it's gonna get a lot of comments, it's gonna go viral because I just checked it on another popular page. Now, I'm telling you guys, a lot of people use this. The people that I follow and that I kind of try to relate my page to, Jay Shetty, Grant Cardone, Lewis Howes, there's a lot of people that use this method. Go on their page, scroll down, and you'll see some of the pieces of content they're posting isn't even theirs. And yes, they will give people the credit for it, but the fact is they're just using it to keep their audience engaged, which is extremely important. You have to create value on your channel. Value could be something that you're teaching them. It could be something in the niche, or it could even be comedy. But I promise you, every single piece of content that the popular pages post and any piece of content that popular pages are posting are all viral pieces of content that share value. Because if you look at anybody that you've actually personally followed on Instagram, you're always following people that share value to you on the things that you relate to. So that's what you want to do, guys. Use the views versus velocity method. I'm going to show you guys a ton of different methods on social media marketing. We're going to get into how to use Instagram mass voting. We're going to get into how to create Facebook ads, Instagram story ads, how to get more leads for your business. But all this stuff is going to help you grow your audience on Instagram while you build your business and create a better lifestyle for yourself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time. I gotta go pack my bags because I'm leaving for Los Angeles, and I'm gonna do a couple videos over there on how you guys can shoot cool content and a bunch of the other stuff that I just talked about. So join me. I'll see you guys in LA. Subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys next time.